I stand here?
Yes.
Good. Morning.
Good morning. Welcome. We have the pleasure of welcoming NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte. Second, we need to provide military assistance to Ukraine. If we continue to believe that Ukraine is our first line of defense, we have to step up the military assistance to Ukraine. Therefore, concretely, we have agreed with Ukraine that a total of €2 billion will be spent on drones now. This allows Ukraine to scale up and to use its full capacity, and of course it will also allow the European Union to benefit from this technology. However, we need a more structural solution for military support, and this is why I have put forward the idea of a reparations loan that is based on the immobilized Russian assets.
Very good.
The loan would not be dispersed in one go, but in tranches and with conditions attached. And we will strengthen our own defence industry by ensuring that part of the loan is used for procurement in Europe and with Europe. Importantly, there is no seizing of the assets. Ukraine has to repay the loan if Russia is paying reparations. If Russia is paying reparations, the perpetrator must be held responsible. Europe must deliver a strong and united response to Russia's drone incursions at our borders, and that is why we will propose immediate actions to create the drone wall as part of the Eastern Flank Watch. We must move together forward with Ukraine and with NATO.
And also when it comes to the drone wall initiative, I think that was an excellent idea, and there was a first meeting last Friday and NATO was participating. Also bringing together the Eastern Flank states in NATO working on this big issue. And why is that important? Because first of all we have to keep our skies safe, and we have seen over the last couple of weeks what happened with the drones in Poland, the MiG-31s in Estonia, but also what is happening now in Denmark. In Denmark, we are still assessing what is behind it, but when it comes to Poland and Estonia, it's clear that it is the Russians. Still, we are assessing whether it is intentional or not, but even if it is not intentional, it is reckless and it is unacceptable. So we need to protect our skies.